Welcome to another AgroLedger tutorial. Today we will walk you through how to add sheep to AgroLedger. Click the Sheep tab at the top of your screen. This will take you to your sheep dashboard. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can see there are several options for you to add your sheep to AgroLedger: adding sheep manually, adding sheep via CSV file, and adding sheep via face recognition. Our face recognition feature is still currently in development, but will be available soon. Keep an eye out for future tutorials. Let's first explore adding sheep manually. To start, select a premises from the drop-down menu and click Next. To add a sheep, you must provide at least one of the following: a CSIP or Canadian Sheep Identification Program number, a local management number, a tattoo number, or a US Scrapie ID. Note that the Canadian Food Inspection Agency regulations require sheep to be identified with an ear tag with a CSIP number to create regulated reports. Click Next to input optional information about your individual sheep, including its gender, breed, date of birth, and any other information or documents you wish to include. Click Submit. Next, let's walk through how to add sheep via CSV file. This is an easy way to upload large groups of sheep at once. Both .csv and .xlsx file types are accepted upload formats. These file types can be generated by RFID ear tag readers as well as software programs like Excel or Google Sheets. The data you upload should be separated into columns based on identification number, date of birth, gender, subgender, and breed. Note that the date of birth, gender, subgender, and breed fields are not mandatory. However, they might be useful to you. Only the identification number column is mandatory. Scroll down further on the page to the form titled Import Sheep. Next, match the section headings with the column of your spreadsheet with the corresponding data. Note that the CSP prefix is 124 for Canadian livestock tags and 840 for American livestock tags. Either are acceptable when creating regulated reports. Click Submit to complete the form. At the top of the screen, select the premises where your sheep reside. Use the Select All button at the bottom of the sheep bulk import table to select all of the sheep you've now uploaded. You can deselect any sheep you do not wish to add. Next, click the Submit Number of Sheep button at the very bottom of the screen to complete the data import. Thanks for tuning in to another AgroLedger tutorial. Check out our YouTube channel for more how-to videos.